Hi everyone, welcome today in the last additional of the year 2020 with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper of, yes, the last day, Thursday, December the 31st, 2020. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 1 tectonic, the second tectonic, binary number 1 and a binary number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Those are the Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle number 1. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits, and I'm curious, are the Sudokus, all of them, has 25 printed digits. So let me count the first Sudoku. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, plus 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 4, 14, plus 3, 17, 18, 20, plus 5, 25. Again, 25 printed digits. The second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. And I think it's again 25, but let me check. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, plus 5 is 11, 12, plus 4 is 16, 17, plus 2 is 19, 20, 21, 22, plus 3 is equal to 25 again. Yes. And let me go to the Sudoku with 4 stars. This one, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, plus 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 4 is equal to 14, plus 2 is 16, plus 3 is 19, 20, 21, plus 4 again 25. So the publisher has chosen to publish all the Sudokus with 25, unless this one I need to count this also, the 3 stars. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13, 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 3 is 20. And here we have 5, so plus 5 is equal to 25. So all the Sudokus, again, just like yesterday and the day before, all those Sudokus has 25 printed digits. And I'm curious about the difficulty level. The one is faster than the other one, or is more difficult than the other one. Well, we will see. So the 3 stars, I will start. This will be number 2090. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about this big square? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2. No 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in that box. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. And then 3, 5. And that's 7. Alright. We have a 2 in this column, a 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about this row? 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this big square. So no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 8 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have an 8 in this row, an 8 in the last row, so no row between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And then 5, 4, 5, 6. Alright. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So on the last row, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then, alright. Yes, an 8 in the first row, an 8 in the third row, so no row between. The second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Alright. Then a 4 in this column, a 4 in that column. So in the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. We have a 1 in this column, a 1 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. 7 and 6, we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then we have a pair in the middle column. Those missing numbers here are the 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 numbers so you can follow it easier. How about these 2 numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 3 and 8, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 numbers. Alright. Yeah. Alright. How about the 4 in the last column? 4 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Yes. 3, 4. Yes, alright. So in this second column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here or there. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only place for a 7 should be here. Then and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for a 6 should be there. Then in this big square, 2 of those missing numbers in these 3 empty boxes are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in this column, so no 4 and a 6 in this box. So the 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 1 box left in the last row for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then. Yeah. So we have a 5 here, 2 boxes left. In this second column, the 2 and the 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. These 2 are the 4 and the 6. Alright. 3. Alright. 3 really 1. Wait. Yeah. I'm thinking. 2 boxes left in the second row. The missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5. And look, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. So we have a 5 in this row. 5 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5. No 5 there. Here 5. No 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1. Then 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 2. Then Yeah. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. There are 9, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, a 9 in the column next. So in that column, only place for the 9 should be here. 2 boxes left. In this column, for the numbers 3 and 7, we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 9 are missing in the last column. We see there 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 6. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8 are missing. We see here an 8, 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 1 number left in this third row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing in this big square, and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a number 4 there, so this can be 4 here. This should be the 4. This should be a 6. 1 number left in the first column for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 6 and the 1. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, the 3 and the 8. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8, and 1 number left. The final number 1. Yes, completed in 18 minutes. Oh, right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, the last Sudoku with 4 stars of this year. Yes, see you later. Bye bye for now.